When you first create your streamingchurch.tv free trial, we set up some donation buttons for your platform. So what you're going to want to do is go over to Setup, go to URL Admin, and enter the donation URL for your giving provider, whatever that may be. So this would be the link to whatever your provider may be, and whatever that donation link is, you would know that from your church. Hit this update URLs, and then once you've done that, you'll see on your streaming platform under we have set up for you a donate now button that's down in your static zone below your chat, and that button will become activated and be able to allow viewers to click on that, and it will go to your donation provider. So this is how you would set up your URL admin for your donation link using your streamingchurch.tv admin panel.